Alright, going on to the next question. So here a bag contains 5 yellow, 3 red and 2 green balls. What is the total amount of balls in this bag?
10 balls.
10 balls, right? We added all of them.
I have 8.
Now, a ball is removed from the bag without looking, the color is recorded and then returned to the bag. So they take a ball, they look at it and they put it back in the ball. So once they take a ball and put it back, the amount of balls still remain the same. Does that make sense? We take it, we look at it, we put it back. And then the second ball is drawn and its color is also recorded. So totally, how many times are they taking? 2 times. 1 record, put it down, and then 2 record. Alright? What is the probability of a red ball followed by a green ball? Now, what is the probability that we choose a red ball? Win.
Red ball.
3 over?
Over 10.
10. Very good. 3 over 10. Ken, what is the probability of green ball? 2 over 10. When we cut, what do we have? 1 over 5. Very good. What is the probability that we choose a red followed by a green?
3 over 50.
3 over 10 times 1 over 5, which will be 3 over 50. Alright? Even in your exam, guys, write it step by step like this so you do not make mistake. Alright? You will not make a Toby. Alright, very good. Next question, what do we have right here? So, the probability of both balls being yellow. Here also many of you guys like to make mistake. You guys just write 1 probability. But here they're talking 2 probability. Mr. Cool, what is the probability that the first ball will be yellow? How many yellow balls do we have? 5 over 10. What is the probability that the second ball will be yellow? 5 over 10. Now what is the probability that we choose a yellow ball and a yellow ball? So when we simplify 5 over 10, we have 1/2, right? So what would be the probability of yellow and yellow? 1 over 4. Excellent. So we take 1 over 2 times 1 over 2, which will give us 1/4 or 1 over 4. Now understand that? Love will answer the next question. What we have for the next question? Oh, this is the one that you guys made mistake. Okay, you know what? We'll go through it together. Whenever you see questions like this, okay, step number 1 is you are going to write the probability of all. So probability of yellow will be 5 over 10, which is 1/2, correct? Probability of red is 3 over 10. Probability of green is 2 over 10, which is 1 over 5, correct? They are choosing 2 balls and they want the outcome to be 1/10. So what 2 balls will multiply and give you 1/10?
Yellow and green.
Yellow and green, right? 1 over 2 times 1 over 5 is going to give us 1 over 10. Does that make sense? In your exam, this question very important. Very important. So if I were you, I'll put an asterisk on this question. Very important. Now try to show the steps like this so you do not get confused. What's up, Toby?
What's an asterisk?
Asterisk,
Yeah.
a star. Ding, 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 ding.
Oh, yeah.
Alright?
Yeah.